Shri Bhagwati presents Plough Shear Mixer. A plough mixer, also known as a plough mixer or plough-share mixer, is a type of industrial mixing equipment used for blending dry or wet materials in various manufacturing processes. It is commonly used in the chemical, pharmaceutical, food, and construction industries, among others. The primary purpose of a plough mixer is to create a homogeneous mixture of ingredients or substances by mechanically agitating them. Overall, plough mixers are an important tool in various industries where consistent and thorough mixing of materials is essential. They are chosen for their ability to handle a wide range of materials and produce high-quality, uniform mixtures. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.